Hey guys, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, we're going to see if Hubby's going to show us how he makes his famous crab cakes. We did a video when he did a crab boil. He boiled some blue crabs from the farmer's market. And then what he didn't eat, he took all the meat out of the legs, took all the prime meat, and he's gonna make some crab cakes. So we're gonna see. You see, he got some. See, there's the crab meat right in there. And he got some mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. He got some mustard. He crushed up some crackers. There's a combination of saltine crackers and Ritz crackers, and then he put some seasoning in there. So then now he's getting ready to mix it up. So he's coming out. Let's see if he'll share. And then we got this Chef Master portable butane stove. We're gonna fry them in there, and I'll put a link to all of this in my description box. So there's Hubby. Let's see if he's gonna share how he mixes, how he's gonna do his crab cakes. See, what you wanna do is go on and get that oil heating up. You put some oil in the pan there. And he did his mise en place. Got all his supplies, all the ingredients ready to go, prepped, ready to go. I'll just let him show us. 1 egg beat. Two tablespoons of real mayonnaise. Teaspoon of brown spicy mustard. That's the wet ingredients. He's going to combine all of the wet. He's adding the dry, some of the dry. That he crushed with his own hands. Put them in a Ziploc bag and just crush them. All right, here comes the crab meat. It's gonna be more crab, and everything else is just a binder. Combine everything. That looks good, y'all. And the oil's popping back here. So you put a little bit in there of the dry ingredients, and then he can test it and see if he needs more. He wants to get the crab in there. Just add as you go. always add, but you can't take away. See, add a few more, see what it looks like. Took my citronella candle back inside, so I'm gonna have to protect the food from the flies. Not too many right now. All right, here he's gonna make the patties. Heaping spoonful. The cakes rather. Crab cakes. Moist enough, but just enough of crackers and egg to bind it. The egg's gonna bind it. And he made a delicious dipping sauce that I tried earlier. Once they're cooked, dip it in that sauce. And that just, those crabs went a long way. All right, so I'm gonna step back. Just gonna get to the oil. Everybody in the neighborhood's out doing a little something something today. Look at that. Prep them things. Those look so good. He's happy I don't eat seafood. He get it all to himself. Even though it looks good to me. Alright, so while these are cooking, how long should it take? Like how many minutes on each side?
3 to 4 minutes.
About 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Okay. And I'll come back when they're done. Those look awesome. There's Chef Gregory right there. Was 3 minutes on one side, then he flipped. And he said he didn't have to put that much oil in there, but hey, it's fine. And he got his remoulade sauce that he made homemade. Checking for doneness. Ooh, look at those right out of the oil, right out of the pot. It smells amazing. When I was a caterer, he was the seafood. He was the seafood chef. Let's see if he's gonna give it a taste. What's the name of that sauce? Greg?
It's Greg sauce. I don't have a name for it.
Now, if I were to eat crab cakes, that's how I want them. I want crab. Yeah, those are good. A lot of people put too much filler. You need some crab up in them.
It's good.
It's good. All right. Guys, so that's how you make some crab cakes, y'all. Those are off the chain. I know they are. I know good food. Okay, guys, so that's how you make some crab cakes. I appreciate your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe. Join the Tastemakers tribe. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, guys, I want to thank hubby for sharing his crab cake recipe with us. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom. Say bye, Tastemakers, Gregory.
Bye, Tastemakers.